So in this video guys, I will be trying this new hair dryer. I wanted to try this one guys because you know I find it very interesting because it is not only a normal hair dryer, it comes with a diffuser. This one guys. So this is a Remington Proluxe dryer. Actually guys, I was just browsing in Amazon of a new hair dryer and I found this. I come across with this brand, still a Remington. I got so curious because of the diffuser. Honestly guys, it's my first time come across with a hair diffuser. I still don't know how to use them. I try looking at the internet before I purchase it. I look for the the meaning of the diffuser or the use of the diffuser. So I found out that it's a curl enhancer. So it's used to enhance the natural waves of your hair, natural curls of your hair, and that's why I decided to get this. And aside from that, everyone, there are times when I'm in the mood to style my hair. Sometimes I wanted it straight, sometimes I wanted it curly. So that's the reason why I purchased this hair dryer with a diffuser. This one has a very nice review in Amazon, and I got this one guys for just a promo price. I will be trying this one now since my hair is still wet, because it says in the manual guys that when you're using the diffuser, it has a bit better result when your hair is still a bit wet. So we'll try everyone if I will know how to use this. I'll be honest, the weight is a bit heavier than the old dryer that I am using at the moment, but in fairness, it has a very nice color. I love the color combination guys. It has the accent of gold and a cream. On this side here you can see the speed setting here, and the other side, this one is the heat control. So yeah, we'll start. I'll show you the two concentrators that comes with the hair dryer. The first one is the slim concentrator, and the other one is much bigger. So I will not go through on this because we know already how to use this one. So I will be showing you just the hair diffuser. There you are guys. So yeah. Before we'll use the diffuser guys, I have this Moroccan oil, a curl defining cream. I also got this in Amazon. So for better result, we will apply this one first before we will have or will use the hair diffuser. It smells so really nice. I like it. So let's make sure that our hair is covered with the curl defining cream for much better result guys. Do not expect too much guys because this is actually my first time using the diffuser, so I'm not a professional, and maybe the result of what I'll be doing this time will have difference with those professionals, since this is my first time. Okay, I think my hair is ready. So it's like this guys, my hair is just wavy, so I wanted to have a better an enhanced waves or curl of my hair. So we'll see if I will get the desired look or the desired waves or curl that I wanted. I will just first start on the medium heat guys because I'm scared it might be too hot on my scalp. Five minutes is over. We'll see guys on the first try. Oh, it's like that. Look at the curl. Wow. So the second. This is the first side. This is the result, guys, on the other side. And we'll go on this side, everyone. So this one is my natural curl, and this side here is the with the use of this diffuser. This is the result. So this is it, everyone. So this is the result, guys, of the curl using the hair diffuser. I don't know if, yeah, in fairness, it's nice. Yeah, but I'll be honest, everyone, since this is my first time using the diffuser, I feel it awkward and I'm not yet comfortable using it, and I know that I'm not using it the right way, but I'm able to, to do the curl that I want to have. Maybe I will be practicing this one, how to use this, so that I can make it perfect. So yeah, maybe for you this is not the curl that you are expecting, but for me, guys, I really like it already, and I enjoyed using the hair diffuser. But for me, the highest temperature, the heat setting, guys, the highest one, for me it's already very hot on my scalp, so I'm just using the medium one. But you can always adjust it, guys, on the desired temperature that you wanted, that whatever suits your skin. For me, it's a nice purchase, everyone. It's a nice product. So if you want to try this is not sponsored, guys, and if you want to purchase this one, I will just put the the link in the description box. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and see you soon on my next review. Bye, everyone. Please consider subscribing by tapping or clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified of our next upload. And don't hesitate to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram account for more exciting updates.